The National Cold War Exhibition Building celebrated its 10th anniversary on the 7th of February 2017. Of the 19 aircraft inside, 3 aircraft are of particular interest: a full set of V-bombers, the Handley Page Victor, and of course the Avro Vulcan Delta bomber. And, to complete the set, the Vickers Valiant, the last full airframe in existence. And to mark the 10th anniversary of the Cold War Exhibition Building, Vickers Valiant XD 818 was open to the public for the very first time.
Yes.
And I haven't been in this cockpit for 60 years.
Wow, good grief.
I was on the squadron that had these, not this one. And it's been quite an experience for me to get inside. And I did check oxygen systems, which has been taken out, the oxygen system.
Yeah.
But there's lots of stuff still left inside it, like soup heaters. Cans of soup.
I've seen a documentary with the featuring the soup heater. Yeah.
So they could take tins of soup, because they used to fly for 4 or 5 hours and come back. They take a box of groceries with them, and what they didn't eat they used to give to us, the ground crew. And very experienced. The air crew liked this plane. They said it was like a gentleman's aircraft, smooth, and it whistled. It didn't make a noise like the Vulcan.
Yeah.
But I've already said what these do. No, I haven't explained what they do.
No.
The chap who sat here was the nav radar.
Yeah.
He operated the computerised bombing system. It was supposed to work, but it didn't. The first models it didn't work very well. And there's a bomb site down there.
Oh yes, yeah.
That's E2 bomb site.
Yeah, that's. You can see the lineage. Yeah. It's like a countermeasure.
Yeah. That's right. Electronic.